Hi guys, my name is Karen and today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on this like straight eyeliner that works for my hooded eyes. And so if you want to keep on watching, I'm going to insert a little pic right here. If you want to see that, stay watching, stay here. So first for this look, you're going to be needing an eyeliner. Which type of eyeliner? Whatever you're more comfortable with. For me, I'm most comfortable with a liquid brush tip liner. There's felt tip liner, there's gel liner. Whatever you're more comfortable with, whatever you feel you have more control over, use that. So let me bring you close into the eye. Okay, so we're gonna start the liner at the midpoint of the eye, like so, right there. And what we're gonna do is with our eyes open, we're gonna run a straight line across our hoods, like that. Once we have this chopped up mess, right, don't fret, we're going to connect it to the bottom. So we're going to slowly start filling in this part and then bring up the bottom line to the top, keeping the straight shape. After that, we are going to slowly put our eye downward and fill in the little triangle. Like so. After you're done filling in the liner, it should look like this, and when you close your eyes, it's going to have that little curvature, just so when you have it fully open, this is how the liner looks. So again, taking the liner with your eyes open so you can guide yourself, starting at the middle of your eye, going straight across the hood. After that, you're going to connect the bottom, and then you're going to fill in. Now, because I have this lovely epicanthal fold, that kind of like disrupts from me having an actual crease all the way down here, I don't like putting eyeliner there. I feel like it closes all of my eye off. But what I do to emphasize that area is I tightline. So I'm getting a black liner and I'm tightlining where one would usually put the rest of their liner. Now for most of my eyeliner looks, I like taking a transition shade and just adding a little bit of a color on my lid, just so it'll be a little structured and it won't just be like a blank base. Now I'll be taking a black shadow from any palette and put it really close on my lash line. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, eyes open and all. And I know it's a short tutorial, but honestly, let's face it, an eyeliner is 3 steps. Draw 2 lines and fill it in. What is most important about those 3 steps is knowing how to position it as best as you can to favor your eye shape, right? Having a steady hand and practice. I'm not gonna lie to you, it took me 3 tries to get this eye like perfect. I kept on wiping it off. And it's frustrating, but I think the result is beautiful. I hope that my hooded eye technique, I picked it up like a few months ago from seeing other people do it, helped you a bit. And I find it so helpful because yeah, it is true. Like realistically, any eye look we do is gonna look different if we apply our eyeliner with our eyes closed versus eyes open, because our hoods does disrupt our eye space, right? So yes, we have to do it with our eyes open so we can see how it looks. And I think the outcome is perfect. You can see it. I have my eyes open. The lines are straight. They're not squiggly or doing some weird stuff. They don't disappear. And that's the goal for us with hooded eyes, isn't it? So yeah, I hope I helped you guys. If you guys like this video, like it. If you have any questions you want to ask me, go ahead and ask me down below. I'll make sure to help you guys the best I can. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I'm going to go now. Bye guys.